Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to Timo Paints. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to paint a room with furniture in it. Painting a room is already kind of a headache for most, and a room with furniture in it even adds a level of anxiety to the project. So if you guys are clicked on this video because you're interested and you have a paint job, but you're not sure how to estimate it, if you guys are starting a paint business and you want to know how to get the perfect bid every time, click the links in the description below and let's get into the video. So for me, there's a couple things I like to address. Now, this house that I recently just did was full of furniture, and luckily for us, we're only painting walls. So an easy option for this project is to push everything away from the walls towards the middle. Now, another potential scenario is that you have to spray the lid or the ceiling. Spraying the ceiling would require you to pretty much push everything to the perimeter of the room, because in that case, then you can drape plastic, tack plastic to the walls, and drape plastic over the furniture with it against the walls, and that gives you full range of the room. Now, the only problem with doing that is then you have to move it back towards the middle. Now, this is the way I like to do it, and my helpers hate it because we're moving furniture twice sometimes, but really, that's the best way that I found to do the projects, because the first day you can kind of, well, not the first day, but in the beginning, you can get in there, you move everything to the walls, push it all against the walls, drop your plastic down, and then just go ahead and shoot the lid, and then you can walk away. And then the next day, basically what you got to do is kind of push everything back towards the middle. Same scenario, you use drops and plastic to protect the equipment, but it's not as, labor intensive, because basically the spraying is done. Now you're just kind of brushing and rolling. There isn't going to be a whole lot of like paint flying around everywhere. So yeah, those are the two methods that I like to use when I'm painting an interior occupied house with furniture and everything in it. Is if I'm coming in, I'm doing an entire package. I'm spraying the ceiling first. So I'm going to push everything out to the side of the walls, drape plastic over everything by attaching it to the walls above the furniture. Then when I come back and get all my spraying done and I'm ready to roll the walls, we're going to push everything towards the middle, and that's where it's going to stay for the remainder of the job. It is a little quick pro tip. I hope that helps you guys out. If it did, give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button. And if you guys need help estimating your jobs, getting the perfect bid, hit the link in the description, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.